Are you looking to delete just one photo from multiple photos on Instagram? Then this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily delete that one photo you don't want, while keeping the rest. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your Instagram profile, select the multiple photos post. As you can see, this post has 4 photos. To delete a photo from this multiple photo post, simply tap on the 3 small dots in the top right corner of the post, and then tap on Edit. So now all you have to do next is go to the photo that you want to delete. So, for example, let's delete this one. Just tap on this little trash can icon at the top left corner of that photo. And then this pop-up will appear. Simply select Delete. So if you want to restore that photo back to your profile, you'll be able to do so within 30 days. After that, your photo will be permanently deleted. Tap on Done to save the changes you made. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.